Welcome to another episode of The Story Behind the Car. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. We're at Dinos Get Down, and we're walking through the vendor area, and here is the booth for Coy's Wheels. And I looked hard at them when I was looking at buying my wheels for my 1961 Chevy C10 stepside, and I ended up going with Detroit steel wheels, but you can see just the variety that Coy has, and they have some great looking wheels. Unfortunately, I'm fighting the sun here, so I'll do my best to try to eliminate it. But, man, just look at the variety of wheels here, and just really a great-looking wheel. So that's what's cool about going to Dino's Get Down, is the vendor area is just overwhelming. And I saw an interview with Dino, and he was explaining how they set up their vendor area, and they set it up kind of like you would find in a store. So all the wheels are in one area, all the engines are in the other area, frames, builders. So it really makes it easy if you're in the market for an engine or wheels in this case. And you can see just the variety that Coy has, and great looking wheel and tire setup, beauty rims. So just if you get a chance to go to Dino's Get Down and you haven't been, man, it's not just all the not just all the trucks, but it's also just the variety. And there are cars as well, but just the variety of stuff. And I mean, check this out. Great looking Suburban. But just the variety of vendors, the variety of vehicles, the builds. You got anything from rust and patina to totally shiny as heck. So, and you also got sun at a steep angle, so you're fighting that. So apologize for the sun, but I'll just keep wandering around here and just showing you what all is here. Kind of give you an idea of the vendor area. Everybody shoots the truck area, and there are like over 8,000 trucks here, but the vendor area is very, very, very impressive as well. Speaking of impressive, lots of variety here. And on the first day, it's Chevy and GMC only, and then the second day they open it up for everything. So you can just see the variety of builds, and man, just the ideas, the uniqueness, the vision that people have when they're building their trucks out. Really, really cool. I've never seen, check that out. The blinds on the side windows, and this truck, man, this thing is built. So just the variety, and then here's stereo equipment and speakers. So if you're building your truck, or you already built it and you want to do some upgrades, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, just amazing. This is my first time to Dino's Get Down, so I mean, it's like a kid in a candy store. And there's Dino's appliance. So Dino has a appliance repair facility, or business, and then this is his truck with the clamshell doors and fighting the sun. Look at that, man, the speakers in that. So anyway, they set up the show with all of the manufacturers that are in the same venue, in the same area. So that way you can compare stereos to stereos. You can listen to them, speakers. So it really makes it nice if you're shopping or in the market for wheels, tires, lifts, suspensions, air ride, frames. It's all here. Look at that. Just the stuff that you see here is just amazing. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I just wanted to kind of wander around the vendor area and show you, just to give you an idea of the variety of stuff here. And that's a unique one, chop top on a square body with a flip top glass top. But here's dash stuff, hats, shirts. Here's an extended cab. I guess that'd be a 47 through a 50. I can't remember if it's a 52 or 53s. I think it's a 47 through 53. That bed is not the original step-side bed. Personally, I'm not a fan of that. But if someone dreamed it up or dreamt it up, you can find it here. It's pretty wild. And then this, I guess that's like a Baja truck.